How to create glowing neon text effect in DaVinci Resolve. Go to the Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop a text plus in timeline. Select the text and open up Inspector panel. Change the text properties to your liking and set its color to a pink color. Now click on the Shading tab and under Properties click on the second option to show only outlines. Then click on the second tab and click on Enable button. Scroll down and change the color to the pink color again. Under Softness, increase X and Y and glow to your liking. We have the neon text and now we can animate it a little bit. Move the playhead to the start of the text. Click on Diamond button next to Enabled and uncheck it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and check the Enabled checkbox to create the second keyframe. Do this for how long you want the animation to last. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.